Hey everyone, welcome to ChromaPro Analytical Technologies, your new go-to destination for everything related to analytical chemistry, lab techniques and scientific innovations. If you are passionate about laboratory science or just starting your journey, you are in the right place. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications so you never miss an update. Today, we are diving into one of the most essential techniques in analytical chemistry, which is high-performance liquid chromatography or HPLC in short. HPLC is a powerful method used to separate, identify and quantify components in a mixture. It's widely used in pharmaceuticals, food safety, environmental analysis and more. But how does it work? Let's break it down. An HPLC system consists of several key components like mobile phase pump, injector, column, detector and data system. In simple terms, different components in a sample travel at different speeds through the column leading to their separation. The detector then records these components, producing a chromatogram, a graph that tells us what is in our sample. HPLC is widely used for quality control in drug manufacturing, testing for contaminants in food and water, and even in forensic analysis. And that's just a quick overview of HPLC. In upcoming videos, we will explore sample preparation, troubleshooting, method development, and much more. So, stay tuned. If you found this video helpful, make sure to give it a big thumbs up and drop a comment below if you have any questions or topics you would like us to cover. And of course, don't forget to subscribe for more exciting lab science content.